Hello, today we are solving Jan 2026 Unit 1 IAL paper question number 4. Okay, part F of the question we are trying to solve. Suranga purchased additional non-current assets on 30 in December. She considered a number of methods of payment before paying for the non-current assets by check. Evaluate the decision to purchase the additional non-current assets by paying by check. So what if she uses her own cash to buy the non-current assets? That is what it means. Okay. So in the earlier part, we were asked to calculate the ratio, okay, and two actions to improve the liquidity of the business. So again, this question is trying to purchase a non-current asset using the check, is the question. So points in favor of payment for non-current assets by check. Okay, what happens if she pays by check? The non-current assets immediately transfer to the ownership of Suranga. If you pay check, immediately I own the asset and there will be no additional interest expenses. Okay, there will be no additional interest expense towards the payment of interest. Okay, whenever you buy a loan, you have to pay interest payments and plus the principal at the end of some years. Okay, so but here if you pay and buy with your own cash, okay, then you own the asset and also there will be no monthly interest payments or yearly interest payments, so or additional charges on the purchase. You might even get a discount. But however, points against the payment for non-current assets by check, we have to consider what is the problem here. The purchase is going to reduce the bank balance. What was her bank balance? See her bank balance, it is a credit balance of 20,000. Okay, it is a credit balance of 20,000. So which means that she already has an overdraft. Okay, this is in and this is out, so this balance represents that she has an overdraft of 20,000. This purchase will reduce the bank balance and negatively impacts on the liquidity. Other options could have not impacted on the liquidity straight away. For example, hire purchase. If she uses hire purchase, I take it for a rent, okay, and then or a lease method, okay, or on a credit method, okay. As there is already an overdraft, interest charges will be incurred on the, so overdraft interest will also occur. So decision is in conclusion, so it is better to pay for non-current assets by check so that there are no loans and interest expenses. She has to somehow arrange to increase her bank balance and get the asset, otherwise she will end up paying. But already as she doesn't have, okay, the a sufficient amount of bank balance, she could go for higher purchases or borrow on a small credit loan or lease back, okay, or a lease, take it on a lease and then try to buy that asset. So that means even if there is an overdraft, she has to work hard to make the business profitable and pay back that. So this is how you will answer for evaluate the decision. Okay, evaluate the decision to purchase either by paying check or use other methods of payment. Okay.